Assalamualaikum guys. Good afternoon. Guys, could you hear me?
Miss, your voice is very low.
Okay, I'll try to speak up loudly. Okay, guys. Actually, I was immediately having a class with the grade 8, so it takes me 2 minutes to sit down with them and join me. Okay, guys. So I hope you are here. Okay, some of you are still joining. So now tell me what we were supposed to do today. Remember last class I was doing some 20, 10, 11, 12, those questions with you. Right? 2011 onwards, paper 2 questions I was doing with you in our last week's class, right? So I will be continuing that.
Hi, Miss.
Walaikum salam. Is there anyone having any suggestion for us what to do?
Sorry, Miss.
Means, do you have any suggestion what to do with you in the class?
We were doing paper 4, right?
I remember I was doing paper 4, 20, 11, 12, that side we were doing.
Yes, exactly.
I can go back to that. But if you have any other suggestion, any doubts, you can ask me.
Yeah, we wanted to clear the doubts of that test, actually.
Okay. So could you share those questions, the ones you have doubt?
Of course, I can do that.
Yeah. Do that so that I can discuss with you.
Yeah, just a minute, Miss.
I think we will.
I'll just share my screen.
Yeah, good. So that I can see it here.
Can you see it, Miss?
Yes. Okay.
So,
Which question will show it to me? Okay.
yeah.
It's fine. Let me see here. This is the first question about ionizing radiation, the one you're asking me, right? Okay.
Yes.
A detector of ionizing radiation gives a background radiation of 20 pounds. Okay. Let me see here. Then, radioactive isotope with a half-life of 2 days. Okay, 2 days is brought near to the detector. The readings on the detector increases to 100 pounds. Okay. How long does it take? Okay, 100 pounds means you have to subtract 20 from here, you got 80. 80 is the count of the radiation itself. How long does it take for the reading of the...
I understood. I did the stupidest mistake ever. It's 2 days for 2 times, it's 4 days.
Yes.
Okay, so the next question is this. In this question, Miss, okay, I knew the answer was using the largest measuring cylinder as possible, but then I have to choose a, like in the question, like which you're seeing in the screen right now. I tried my best, like I know the answer was D, like using the largest measuring cylinder possible. I tried to click on it, but then on the screen it was not happening, and I had to choose another option. I thought it was maybe blocked by SAR itself or something.
Okay, let me see the question. 1 minute. Which of the following is not necessary? Okay, it's not necessary when using a measuring cylinder to measure the volume of a quantity of water. Measuring cylinder is vertical. No, this is necessary. Making sure that your eye level, that is also reading the bottom of the hemisphere. Yeah, it's the D correct answer.
D. I knew it was D, but then I couldn't click on it.
Okay, it might be some technical fault. I don't know. Yeah. Because I'm not very much aware of this type of system, like how he performed that. Okay, let me see this one. When the thermistor in the circuit below is heated, the lamp becomes brighter. Okay. What is the formula that we learned? When you heat this thermistor, the temperature rises, then what happens to the resistance? Decreases. When its resistance decreases, voltage will also get less voltage from the source. So more voltage will go to the lamp and the lamp will be brighter. Okay, so it will be the resistance of the thermistor decreases. C is the right answer.
Oh, resistance of the thermistor decreases, not the lamp.
No, it's about thermistor. And it is we know that is a semiconductor device. So it will increase when the temperature increases, resistance decreases.
Okay.
For normal conductor, that is directly proportional.
Okay.
Then this question, okay, let me see here. A pendulum is set in motion and 20 complete swings are timed. The time measures 30 seconds. What is the time for one complete? It will be 30 divided by 20, 1.5 seconds. See.
30 divided by 20.
20 computers. So you have to divide this one.
Okay.
And
Then this.
this last is the one, right? Okay. The mass of a full bottle of cooking oil is 1.30 kg. Okay. Actually, it was a question, past paper with a diagram, with a diagram was there. They gave you only the question. Okay. When exactly how much the oil has been used, the mass of the bottle become bottle plus the bottle. Okay. So 1.30 minus 0.9. Okay.
That's it?
No, it's not that. 1.30 minus 0.9. Whatever you get from there, that one, that value will be subtracted from 0.9. So, okay, let me check on. If you subtract 1.3 and 0.9, what is the answer? 0.4.
Yes.
Okay, that 0.4 you have to subtract from 0.9 again. So final answer 0.5 kg. B.
0.5. Oh,
Exactly.
okay. So this.
This is the one. Okay. 5 telegraph poles are positioned at equal distances along the side of it. This question is from, I tell you, 2001.
Is it supposed to be 2 and 3?
It will be, this question came from 2001 or 2. This 2001 or 2 IGCSE exam, this question is there. Let me see here. Okay. Could you read out in the small thing what is written there? Which one you want us to find out?
Oh, which time is the greatest?
Okay. Is it like it is having, or what is happening to the car? Is it having
the car accelerates until it is level with pole 4.
Oh,
the car.
okay. I understood now. If it is accelerating, definitely, then which time is the greatest or smallest?
Greatest.
It is accelerating. When it is accelerating to cross this between pole 1 and 2.
It accelerated till pole 4. And then the car then continues along the road at a steady speed.
Okay, so after 4, we don't need to consider. So it will be in between pole 1 and 2 because that is the part it is just increasing and the rest is all accelerating. It will be A, I think, 1 and 2. Okay. Is there any other?
Yes, this.
Oh, this is from our copybook, this question. See, you started with the S. So X will be north, Y will be south. X will be north and south. Yeah.
I did a stupid mistake.
That was from a copybook.
This one.
Okay. It will be up and down. B.
Why?
Because the surface, we know that in water, the wave is created actually on the surface. So if the surface is going up and down, definitely the pulse will go up and down. How does this wave creates over there? It always goes, the water molecules moves up and down, the surface water molecules. So definitely the pulse will go up and down.
So this I knew it was kind of,
let me say, magnet near a coil of wire is attracted to the coil only when there is a current in the coil. Statement of this force, the coil has this. No, the coil is in the yes, C is the correct answer. The current in the coil of wire creates a magnetic field. Yes, and that magnetic field will
this.
Okay, 1 minute. Driving a car raises the temperature of the tires. Okay, what causes this? Causes the pressure of the air in the tires to increase. Why is this? Okay, the speed of the air molecules increases. D. Temperature rise, molecules start moving faster.
The speed of the air molecules increases.
Molecules cannot get expanded. They start moving faster.
So what's the answer?
D. That's it. Nothing more, right? Anita?
No, miss. I got disconnected. I guess I'll start the share again.
Okay, done.
Okay. So, yes. So what was the answer over here?
That is D.
B. So why did they took my mark?
Not B. D.
Oh, D. Okay. Speed of the air molecules increases.
Exactly.
Okay. Here.
Then the next one is also nothing else.
It's convection and radiation.
there is a vacuum between the double walls of the vacuum flask. Okay. Which type of heat transfer are reduced by the vacuum? Okay. Reduced by the vacuum. Okay. So it will be conduction and convection. Radiation is possible in vacuum. So A is the right answer.
A is the correct answer. I have a lot of questions.
But this is normal power state, right? We had it in normal power state. It's a regular question. Okay. Applied by power station is considered direct across the market river. At high bed, the sea water is not in the barrel. So I think they're asking about what are the energy change in the applied by power station, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So then it will be D. Energy of position. Means potential energy will be
Potential to kinetic electrical.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What next? Oh, over here. Purpose of, that's large voltage into small voltage. I made a mistake over there. And then this. I knew it. I would lose mark over here.
A beam is pivoted at the center. Two masses is expanded at equal distances. They say equal distance. Which statement is correct? Okay. Equal distance. So we say if X has a mass exactly 2 kg, it will rise. Okay. If X has a mass less than 2 kg, it will fall. It has more than 2 kg, it will fall. If it has more than 2 kg, it will rise. Actually, you know, as they are having equal distance, if you put 2 kg, they will be balanced. It has to be more. Okay. A is not correct. B, less than 2 kg, it will fall. Less than 2 kg, it will rise actually. And it has mass more than 2 kg, it will.
Let's see.
Wait, no. More than 2 kg, it will fall. Yes, C is the correct answer.
Okay.
More than 2 kg. Because
so done, miss. That's it.
That or the rest are
Yes, that's
it. Fine.
Stop sharing.
Yeah, fine. There's written Rofik sir. Who's that Rofik sir? On the top of the question. Okay, fine. Just curiosity, nothing else. Okay, guys. So now, tell me, do you remember which year I did with you in my previous class? Is it like
Yes.
2011?
Yes, I've actually lost some answers while you were doing. I asked you to help me in that.
I forgot you. Which one?
It's okay, miss.
Is it October, November 11, did it?
No. Okay, I'll just tell
or
you.
I think, or is it like 11 we have finished? We are supposed to do 12. That's what we did.
11 or 12.
One class we have with this one. Is it like 31 October, November 11 did we do?
31 October, November 11, no? I'll just see.
Okay, 32 May to 11.
No, miss, it's empty.
Okay, so 32 May to 11?
32 May, June 11.
Question number 1, 2, and 3.
No, this we did. And yeah.
Then
we did.
31 October, November.
But miss, before that, could you please give me the answer to 2D? I couldn't hear it that day. I got disconnected or something went over.
Okay, it is 32 May to 11 you're asking?
It's like 32 May, June 11, 2D.
Okay, I understood. It was about that conveyor belt question, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, just check here. I said here that we know the equation that is P equals to E by T. And in case
E equals to E by T.
P, capital P, that's the power, because they said the power should be the same. So P equals to E by T, capital E. E by T equals to mg d by T. D means the height, vertical height. mg d. Yes. Then we can say, as the power is constant,
as the
power is constant. So, when the mass increases, the potential energy increases.
Potential energy
increases, comma. The work done to raise the mass.
The work done to raise the mass.
Yes, to raise the mass increases.
Mass increases, okay.
Which reduces the speed of the belt. Which reduces the speed of the belt.
Speed of belt.
Yes. And more time is needed. If it becomes slow, so
And
more time. And
what is it, Miss? And
more time is needed.
more time is taken.
Yes, or needed, you can say, no problem.
Needed. Okay.
Now, just check what last you want to do there. This question is over, right? So then we can go to 31 after the number. Nihad, are you present today?
Yes, I actually had another question. I'm sorry.
Say which one?
Okay, it's like again not again actually. It's 31 May, June 11. 2 B and C. I couldn't understand the
2B
word
and
problems.
C. Okay.
Yeah, there were some word problems.
Okay. Did you complete it with me or you want to do it now?
What? Sorry, Miss?
That question means 2D and 2C, that is 31 May to 11, regarding that a man on the pulley, that question, right?
Yes, exactly, yes.
Okay. So you want to do it now? That is you
Yes,
do it.
yes.
Okay. So first, go to part B. So they say here that the workman is measured as having the power. Okay, now let's do it quickly. First, you write down the equation because we don't have any straight equation. We have to derive an equation.
Yes, power equals W by T.
Yes, then W equals to P. Just cross multiply.
P.
Then in place of W, yes, we will not substitute the values now. In place of W, we know that it is F into D, isn't it? Work done equals to, so write down F into D equals to P into T.
Oh, okay.
Then D is the substance now, subject. So D equals to P into T divided by F.
Okay, and then I keep the values and...
Yes, 528 multiplied by 5 divided by 800.
Okay, Miss.
Then we will be getting D equals to 3.3 meter.
3.3 meter. Okay.
Now, number of rungs will be this, write down, number of rungs equals 3.3 multiplied by 100. Why? Because we are converting meter to centimeter. Multiplied by 100 divided by 30, because 2 rungs is having a distance of 30 centimeters.
Okay.
So if we divide, we'll be getting around 11 point something. We can keep it as 11. So 11 rungs is the correct answer.
11.
Yes.
Okay, 11 rungs. Yes. Next question is the last one.
There we have the equation. Efficiency equals output energy, means you can write E out or output energy by input energy multiplied by 100. That is our basic equation. They told you to find the input energy. So let us rearrange the equation. Input energy equals output energy divided by efficiency multiplied by 100. So equals, it will become output energy is actually nothing but the work done. So work done divided by efficiency into 100. So what is our work done? Now they say it was about to, okay, for work done we need to have his weight, that is the man's weight, 800 multiplied by, on the question they say 20 round now. So 20 multiplied by 0.2. Why? Because 30 centimeter is the difference between 2 rounds.
Miss, I'm sorry, what happened? 800 multiplied by?
20. In the question they say
30.
20 rounds.
20.
Yes.
Okay.
In C they say 20. Previous question was 30. No, that was the distance between 2 rounds is 30 centimeters. If we convert that one to meter, it will become 0.2. So it will be 800 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 0.3 divided by 15. And of course,
divided by 15.
Yes. If you want, you can write down 15%, or beside it you put 100. And the final answer will come out 32,000 joules.
What's the answer?
32,000 joules.
32,000 joules. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. So I think now we should go to 32 major. Sorry, it's done. Go to 31 October, November, 11.
32 October, November,
31.
11.
First 31. 31 October, November, 11. And what about the rest of the girls? Do you have the passport in front of you so that you can have a discussion with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have? Okay, fine. What about Sanjida, Maisha, Zari? Just keep the passport in front of you. Okay. Now let's see this question. The first question number 1. It is about, okay, and one thing, Ajina, as you asked for me, as per the syllabus from me. Did you check it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, fine. So you get an idea that what type of topics we'll be learning in this
Yeah,
level.
for unit 1, it is waves and mechanics and more description about it for unit 1. I didn't check unit 2 yet.
Yeah, unit 1 is the first one we'll be doing mission multiple physics. That will be the unit 1, and next Jan, the exam will be on unit 1. So if you just read the topics, you'll get an idea that which particular topic will be covering in this particular unit. Okay, guys. So, shall I take 31 October, November exam? And what about the rest of the girls? I can see Nizama is here. Nizama, what are you doing nowadays, dear, at home? Did you hear me, Nizama?
Yes, miss.
Yes, what are you doing at home nowadays?
Oh, nothing.
Like, are you thinking about like what are the subjects you'll be taking and how to continue with that?
Sorry, miss, I didn't catch that.
I'm asking you, did you decide what are you going to take in your A-level?
Oh, miss, I was thinking about the usual 4 subjects: physics, biochemistry, and math.
Oh, you want to continue with the 4 subjects. Yeah, that's good. No problem. So in that case, you can check on the net all the syllabus and everything. You can just go through it and have a look at it. Oh,
Okay, miss.
that will be good for you. At least you make your time some useful, isn't it? I know that now it's kind of getting bored at home. We don't have anything else to do, right? Okay.
Yes, miss.
And if you have a chance also, I'm telling everyone, not only Nizama, everyone, if you get chance, you can collect the book for any family friend or anyone you know who's studying in A-levels. You can check the book as well. Or on the net, I'm not sure whether the book is available on the net. You can check that book so that you can get an idea what type of topics are there. You can have a look.
All right,
Okay.
miss.
Okay.
Thank you, miss.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. Now, 31 October, November 11. Question number 1. And let me remind you guys, when you will go to A-level, definitely to study physics, you'll see that this motion graph is also a huge important topic here. You'll get lots of questions from this motion graph. So you cannot ignore it. And the basic of motion graph, what we study here, it will continue the same. Only 2 more topics you're going to study there, anew, and something new only. Nothing else. A bouncing ball topic is there. That one you'll be learning. Otherwise, the rest are all same that we learn here. Okay, let's take this question. I hope all of you, those who are following my class, you have in front of you. The first question
Yes,
is
miss.
acceleration. This one able.
Exactly, it's increasing speed or velocity of an object in unit time.
Yes, you can do that. Or if you want, you can write down the equation also. A equals to
P
d
minus U by T.
and but you have to ensure that you are
You know,
writing all the quantities, what are those quantities.
of course.
Right. Now, if you just look at the part B of the question, that is, they has given us a graph which is not completely done. Two part of the motion is given, and we have to draw the next part. So for that, what we need to do, first we take the question number B1. For the time interval between 40 seconds and 100 seconds. Okay, if you just look at the diagram, you can see that is the part which is actually decelerating. Initially, the object was moving at 25 meters per second with a constant velocity, and then it started decreasing.
Decelerated.
Yes, it's decelerated. But they are not asking us to find out the deceleration. They are asking the distance traveled by the train. Okay, so what is the formula of distance? Anika, as you
Speed equals distance multiplied by time.
not that one,
Distance
not that.
by time.
No, not
So
that one.
it's distance,
It is
not that one.
motion graph. Distance equals area under the graph.
Sorry, miss?
Area under the graph.
Oh, area under the graph. Okay, so area of trapezium.
No, it's not a trapezium. It has to be 40 to 100 seconds. So it is a triangle. They are not asking the whole distance. It's only with the question for the time interval between 40 to 100 seconds. That part only. If you just join, you get a triangle. So it will be
Triangle.
yes.
Okay, yeah, it's a 40-second. Okay, got it.
So it is half into base into height. Definitely,
Yes.
it's a triangle. So half, and what is the base? It will be 100 minus 40, that is 60. Height is 25. So half into 60 into 25. That's the answer.
Half into 100 into 25, right?
Not 100. The distance, look, is from 100 to 40.
100 minus 40 is 60.
60. That is right.
Yes.
So how to do 60?
So, yes. I'll just calculate the answer. Miss, is it 750 meter?
750 meters. Correct.
Okay.
But make sure initially you wrote the equation distance equals area under the graph. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next is like we have to draw the graph, but they gave us 5 marks, means we have to do some calculation as well. So let us see that. The train stops for 80 seconds. Okay, fine. So 100 to 180 seconds, we are going to draw a straight line because it was stopped there. So look at the grid, 100 to 180 seconds, we just make a straight line on the top of the x-axis because the train was at rest that time. Then they say what to do after that? Then it accelerates to 30 meters per second with an acceleration of 0.6. Okay, and then it travels at constant speed. Okay, complete the graph 100 to 280 seconds. Show clearly showing your calculations of the space. Okay, so they gave us the acceleration, they gave us the final speed, but they did not give us the time. Okay, so we need to get it. So first, if you just look at it at 1/80th second, that timing, what is the initial velocity at this situation?
In the 80th second?
No, yeah, it is 0 because it was at rest. We drew a straight line and we said that train was at rest on the station.
No, I asked whether in 80th second or not.
Yeah. 1/80th second, that timing means from there the car is going, the train is going to start again. So at that moment, what is the speed? The speed is 0. So u equals to 0. And on the question they say it has a final speed of 30 meters per second. So v is 30 meters per second. And they gave us acceleration a 0.6. We have to find out time t. So we have equation a equals to v minus u by t. And rewrite it, t equals to a minus u divided, v minus u divided by a. Okay.
Sorry, a equals v minus u by t and then t equals?
V minus u by a.
Yes, okay, of course.
Then just replace the value. V is 30, u is 0, a is 0.6. Then check what's the answer coming.
Okay. 30 0.6. Miss, it's 50.
Okay. So 50 seconds is the time. Right? Now.
50 seconds.
Yes, fine. So now from 180 seconds, we count 50 seconds. Wherever it stops, go up, and at the end, because 30 meters per second is the speed, that is the borderline of the grid. So you go up to that point and put a dot and then join to 180 straight line. First, you go 180 at 50 seconds, right? Then 200, 220, and in the middle of 220 and 240, that is 2.5 square. Go up and put a dot in the middle. Because it has to reach to 30.
Miss, it's still 30, so we're just going to put a dot over 30?
Yes. But did you put it at 250 seconds?
So it's going to be 0 till 220, and then from 220 to 240, it's like steep from to 230.
No. Till 180, it is a straight line. 100 to 180 on the top of this one. Then from there, it will go straight to 250 seconds, but that is 30 on the top, 30 points, because it has reached to the velocity of 30 meters. So it will be a straight line from 180 to that particular point. Let this look. Below, if you count, you need to go 50 seconds. So 200, 220, then in the middle, after that you need to go 2.5 steps. That is your 250 seconds. But 250 seconds should go to 30. So go up and put the dot on the last line, that is 30 meters per second, put the dot there. Then that dot will be joined to 180. Got it now? That dot will come to 180.
Miss, would you mind sharing the screen and show us how it is? Because I'm getting confused actually.
Okay, just hold on. If I can show you the diagram.
want to assure that I have drawn it properly.
Okay. Okay. Anita, check the WhatsApp. In your WhatsApp, I gave you that. In our group, I gave you the photograph. Could you check it?
Oh, yes, of course, miss. I'll just go and see that.
Yeah. Then it will be easy for you to find out.
Yes, it is. It is correct.
Done. So that is how we are going to complete. But from there, they said it was moving with a constant speed. So at the last point, means from 220, no, 250, that went up to 30. From there, it will be a straight line till 250. Just a straight line. Yes, guys. That will be a straight line where we are going to say that the train was moving with a constant speed. Okay?
Yes, miss.
Now I want you to go to question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. Energy from the sun evaporates water from the sea. Okay. Some of this water eventually dries a hydroelectric power station. Give an account of the processes and energy changes involved. Now, someone from the class, could you explain to me how you go for this answer? It's a 4-mark question. Means you can go step by step. First, here they say energy from the sun evaporates water from the sea. So water is getting evaporated from the sea or any other water resources that we have around us. From there, this water, this evaporated water will go up, and when they go to the sky, what they are going to form there? They will start collecting together and they are going to form a cloud. Isn't it, girls? After forming the cloud, that cloud is going to condense over here, because we know that the percentage of humidity, the water vapor has to reach to a saturated point where at that point it starts raining. So when it starts raining, the rain will come towards the earth and we are going to trap it behind a dam. Right, guys? And from that dam, when you allow the water to come down, it will come through with a huge speed, and then with that speed, we are going to turn the turbine to produce electricity. Motion causing current. Okay, turn the turbine of the AC generator and produce electricity. This is the whole procedure that is happening, and which is actually nothing but a hydroelectric power station. The process of hydroelectric power station. So I hope, Anika, you can write it by yourself.
Yes, yes, miss. I understood.
Very good. So let's take the next part of the question, which is part B. Okay. In a hydroelectric power station, 200,000 kg of water per second fall to a vertical distance of 1 km. The water passes through the turbines to generate electricity and leaves the turbine with a speed of 40 meters. Calculate the gravitational potential energy lost by the water in 1 second, that is E is 2 meters per second. Okay, fine. So we know the formula that potential, gravitational potential energy is actually EP equals to MGH, right? No problem.
MDH, so mass is 200,000. 120 meters.
Manisha, I can see you today. I think this is the first time are you joining my class, Manisha? I haven't seen you before, I think. How are you, Manisha? I'm talking to you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. And you wrote the paper, right? That test we had last week. You wrote it.
Yes, I get it.
Okay. How was it for you?
It was fine.
Miss, we just do the MDH thing, right? Like we put the values and just multiply.
Exactly.
That's it, right?
Exactly. Here they are asking you to find it only the gravitational potential. So EP equals to MGH, then M is already given, G is 120, and K, that is H. MGH. Okay. I think you'll be taking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Miss, is it 336 followed by 6 zeros?
336, right? 120 G multiplied by, sorry, 200,000 multiplied
Yes.
by G is 10 multiplied by 12, 120. Right? So it is coming out 2.4. 2.4 into 10 to the power 8. 8. 10 to the power 8 joule. Okay.
I'll just see.
It is 2 and 12 is the two numbers that will be multiplied. So it is 2.4 into 10 to the power 8. Yes, 10 to the power 8 joule. 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 joule. Got it?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, the next part is says calculate the kinetic energy of the water leaving the turbines in 1 second. Okay.
Half mv square.
Exactly. So half into 200,000 into 14 square.
14 square.
Exactly. So it will be 1.96 into 10 to the power 1 to the 6. 10 to the power 6.
Miss, it's 196 followed by 5 zeros.
Yeah, that is 1.96 into 10 to the power 6.
10 to the power 6
Okay. 4 zeros, not 5 zeros.
joules.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3,
6, right? Yes, it is.
4, 5. Now check question number 3 of this same question. That is 31 October 2021. Okay, they say the two conditions required for the equilibrium of a body except acted upon by a number of forces. Okay, fine.
Clockwise moment should be equal to anti-clockwise moment. Does that count?
And one more is
Upward force equals downward force. Oh, they said apart from that, right?
Both of it you will be writing. Even you can write it in the other way. No resultant moment, point number 1. Point number 2, no resultant force.
Sorry, miss?
No resultant moment and no resultant force. If you write, that is also correct. And on the other way, if I write anti-clockwise moment is equals to clockwise moment, or if I write total upward force equals to total downward force, that will also be correct.
Okay, total upward force, total downward force.
Yes. That is also be.
Miss, what were the other possibilities you said?
That is no resultant moment, no resultant force.
No resultant moment,
And no resultant.
force. Okay.
Now, if we just look at it, the next part of the question is there's an arm shown by them, and the arm is holding a particular kind of weight on its hand, and they gave us, they gave us a pivot point P that is in the elbow, okay. The 20 Newton force is weight on the forearm, acting on the center class, okay. And F is the force that is on the muscle of the upper arm. P is the point with the elbow about which the arm pivots. Okay. Pivots and the distance of the forces from point P are shown. Okay. It's shown from here. By taking moments about point P, calculate the force F. Okay. This is about the point P. So P is our pivot point. So from P, if you just look at it, force F is working upwards and other two forces, 20 Newton and 120 Newton, both are working downwards. Isn't it? So this upward force is going to create anti-clockwise moment and this is going to create clockwise moment. So we are going to write anti-clockwise moment equals to clockwise moment.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Then we have anti-clockwise moment. We can write F into 2. Girls, any idea who's Marlisa and Muntaha? I don't think so. They are not from my class. But how did they get my